Hi, my name is Natalia. I'm from KL. I'm a real estate agent, host, model, and also TVC commercial talent. So today I tried the salt therapy room. I really liked it. I thought it was super serene, super peaceful. Um, Also helped my breathing problems, so now I feel like I can breathe better. And the room, honestly, after a while you start to taste the salt, and it's quite interesting. So I would definitely do it again because I feel more calm after and all that stuff. I've never tried salt therapy before, and I didn't even know that there was such thing as it. But I was contacted to come and try it, and I'm glad I did because it was really peaceful and nice.